Hey, what up everyone? Doing eBay box break 81, 11-12 limited. Here's your last team that was auctioned off. Alright, let's bust this bad boy. Alright, good luck to everyone. Alright, first off for the Stars, we got a base of Brendan Morrow out of $2.99. Next, we got a base for the Blackhawks of Duncan Keith. That's out of $2.99. And here we got for the Cleveland Barons, which is the Dallas Stars, base of Charlie Simmer, $2.99. Next, nice, for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Phenoms rookie auto of Ryan Johansson, out of $2.99, numbered 60 out of $2.99. Nice card. And this one's for the Kings, Charlie Simmer jersey card, out of $99. Next, nice, we got a jersey prime of Zdeno Chara for the Bruins, number 19 out of 25. And then for the Flames, we got a team trademarks of Joe McGinley, Spotlight Silver out of 49. Number 1 out of 49. Creepy. Alright. Thanks everyone for joining. Cards will ship out tomorrow. Have a good night.